This is another simple question on number system divisibility. If a number 7a49b, the number given is 7a49b and it is divisible by 88, we have to find the value of a plus b. So we can easily see that if the number is divisible by 88, then it has to be divisible by factors of 88, that is 8 and 11. Now we also know that for a number to be divisible by 8, the last 3 digits, in this case 49b, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. If a number is to be divisible by 2, the last digit should be divisible by 2, right? If a number is divisible by 4, then the last 2 digits of the number, means units and tens place, should be divisible by 4. If a number is to be divisible by 8, then the last 3 digits, that is units place, tens place and hundreds place, that taken in order should be divisible by 8. So here we have 49b. 49b should be divisible by 8. So if we do a simple check, we can get the value of b as 6. If we divide 49b by 8, we get the value of b as 6. So now our number becomes 7a496. Now we have to check divisibility of by 11 for this number 7a496. So we take the sum of the digits in the odd places, which is 7 plus 4 plus 6. Sum of digits in odd places, that is 7 plus 4 plus 6. And the sum of digits in the even places, that is a plus 9. The difference of the two should be either 11 or 0. The difference of the two should be either 11 or divisible by 11 or 0. So we write that as 7 plus 4 plus 6 minus a plus 9, that is 8 minus a, should be divisible by 11 or it should be 0. So in this case we find that if a is equal to 8, then 8 minus a equal to 0. So a is 8 and b is 6. Sum of a plus b will be 14. Thank you and cheers.